Hello, 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 and welcome to a special end of the year review of Clear Hair. I'm going to be showing a lot of videos that I felt was my best and also my funniest videos as well. This cheers is water. The budget's kind of low. Why am I whispering? It's my video. but this cheers is to you, all my hair bows, all 1745 of you. Why am I counting like that? But seriously though, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate everybody who's contributed, whether sharing or doing positive views or saying keep going. Because some days, like, I'll be filming, I'm just like, ugh. Then I read one of my things from my hair bows. I don't like saying you're my followers because I'm not leading you anywhere. I see you're my fellow supporters. And I just give you guys the name, hair bows. But thank you guys so much. Yeah, it's got to be because it's in the key of G minor maybe, but this song is so loud. But it did what it needed to do. I love doing this one. This one was my ninja bun that I did with Marley Haire because I've never seen anyone else actually use Marley Haire to do it. I really like doing it. Editing it was, oh, you have no idea. Definitely one of my favorite ones that I did. It was something different. And of course, it's inspired by Black Swan with Mila Kunis and Natalie Portman. But definitely one of my favorite ones. Definitely go check that one out. Now, this one I did. I think there's another video of this that I put on here as well. But I really like this one. This is the emerald green temporary color. It was so fun shooting this. I got those coins from Le Dollar Store. And then that was that. I love doing that one. This one was like, I don't know, but I was like, whatever perfume this girl is selling, I'll buy it. But this was actually pretty fun to do. This is when I had the floral bun as well. And yeah, I really like this one. I had melanocytes at the end, what melanin is made from. Now, of course, if you actually are a true fan of me, you'll know I am obsessed with Star Wars. I've been watching it since 1999. Don't do the math too quick. But definitely love this one. This one was so funny because I dropped that lightsaber at least a minimum of 100 times. But it was definitely fun to shoot as well as cosplay. I can definitely say for sure that the transitions on this one was really, really hard to make it look smooth. So I can definitely say I definitely feel like I pushed myself on this one, and I had this just in time for May the 4th. I'm going to be so excited next year to see what I'm going to do for May the 4th. Maybe something with the Mandalorian, but I really had a lot of fun doing that. This one coming up, this one was the blonde or Blair. For some reason, people love this color on my skin tone. Like, people are like, dang, is that you? Yes, it's me. It's still me. Please stop. But yeah, this was actually another one. This one's actually inspired by Kisses Down Low by Kelly Rowland. I really like doing this one. It's actually one of my favorite ones that I like to do to promote myself in the middle of my video. So I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this a lot. I used, what I used? Oh, Nairobi Foam Wrap Set 1. And with my curling cold perm rod, that's what I did. This was just me being extra. That's it. If you ever met me in real life, I'm the same person. Like, I'm extra in real life. I really was just like, after I got my silk press, I was like, I'm gonna make my own music video. Let's do it. Let's just do it. Okay. But I definitely was feeling myself that day. This was when I went to Comic-Con. I came as Storm, Ororo Munroe, for my real X-Men fans, Marvel fans. I really like doing this cosplay as well. I can't wait to cosplay as her next year. I feel like I want to do a different type of style. This one was really fun to do. You know what's funny is that I was inspired by Hula Hoops by DPR Live. If you ever heard of him or his group, definitely go check out DPR Live, Hula Hoops. It is in Korean and English, so definitely want to pre-warn you before that, but it's so dope. Definitely featuring Beenzino and Hwasa. Definitely check that song out, but that definitely inspired me. Then I also duo this with Hula Hoops by Daddy Yankee, and I just get so inspired by songs, guys. You have no idea. So this one was actually inspired by Dr. Mad-Amari's Call. So, like I said, I'll listen to a song or a piece of a song. I'm just like, I'm going to make a whole video out of it. But yeah, this one was definitely inspired by that. It doesn't have a music video, but when I heard the song, I was like, this sounds like this would go to this. And this one was inspired by Squid Games. I really had a lot of fun doing this one. I ended up creeping myself out because I was like, oh my God, I look so scary. Yes, I scare easily. But yeah, this one was pretty dope. I was supposed to be a marionette, but then I was like, you know, let me just be the doll from Squid Games. So it ended up working out correctly, and it was so fun to film. This one was another one that I love filming. This was Oshun. I want to say that she's the goddess of fertility from West Africa, specifically Nigeria, Yoruba culture. I just really feel like I am Oshun, and no one could tell me different. I love filming that. And this is another one recently that I did. This was the Bubblegum Pink one that As I Am released from the Curl Color line that I love filming. And this is my previous ones that I did with the color. I definitely feel like I've done every color, and I don't have a favorite. I love all of them, actually. I don't even have a favorite yet. This was me just doing like a combo hairstyle, just something different. This was actually inspired by Mi Morena by Seal. Definitely check that video out. I was featured in that. But definitely love that one. This was another one that was inspired by St. Patrick's Day, and I went in. It was so hot outside, baby. But this one was actually really fun to shoot. With the green, emerald green one that I had. This is the second part of the coin one that you saw at the beginning. With this one, I feel like I really put my foot in this one. This one was really thought out. I could definitely say that this is one of my favorite ones that I did. And of course, you know, this is apparently just Year of the Green. This was for my birthday this year. I was just like, let's just become a mermaid. Forget it. Like, let's just do something different. Because like, I'm tired of people doing the same thing over and over again. The whole outfit was sewn by me. Definitely saving up for my sewing machine. I keep telling y'all that, but you know, I gotta make it real. But definitely saving up for my sewing machine so I won't have to do it by hand like I did here. And this was my first Indian wedding. Like, I had so much fun there. I went with a purple bob, something different. And then this was one of my favorite comedic videos that I did when I did my discussion about the Gheri Curl and everything. So, and how people are getting Gheri curls instead of getting relaxers. So basically, a lot of people are leaving the perm and, you know, natural movement behind. I had that on there. That was actually pretty fun to make. This one was me being Foxxie Brown. I can tell you that I'm obsessed with this shirt. I got it from Amazon for $5. I could definitely say you couldn't tell me anything. You really couldn't. Just want to let you know. But this was also the floral bun. This was actually the floral bun in color. And then here was this one actually ended up getting a lot of traction on Instagram. I love those colors together. And then this was just me having my hair slicked back and those two braids. I saw the pink background. I was like, let's just do a photo shoot. So then I just get inspired by random things. So people say, where your ideas come from? Just from anything. For example, this is a giant t-shirt. And I was like, you know what, this kind of looks like a dress top. So I cut this into a dress. It's a cute little thing that I can see people wearing on like a hot summer day with some heels, dress it up or down. And then this is actually one of my favorite ones. I don't know what was happening. The ring lights, everything was happening good that day. It looks so good, you know, but I can definitely say for sure that I loved it. Where would we be without our bloopers? So this is for Bridgerton. This is when I was pretending to fall asleep, how I really look like behind the scenes. So that's me saying Dwayne Johnson, if you guys can read. I was being so crazy that day. But this is another one that was just me fooling around, showing how extra people would be doing for views. I was being ironic. I'd also be like, is your neck okay? I was like, it's okay. But I did actually end up injuring my neck for real. Yeah. So I had to take it easy for that week with some biofreeze. This is me on my way to Mind Your Business. This is one of my favorite hairs that I did this year too. You know, that honey blonde. Like, this one looks so good. As well as this was pretty funny. I think this was the one time I can definitely say that I just could not get it. You ever have those days where you're just filming and you're just like, the script's not going right, the script that I wrote. And it was just not going right. I could not get it that day. Like, everything was just going crazy. And this was when I was doing my YouTube boot camp for getting more subscribers and followers for my small time subscribers. That's why I was dressed up in boot camp, and everything just kept breaking. The tip flew off. I don't know where it flew off to, and then it was just crazy. Like I said, like, it was just so crazy that day. This was inspired by Princess Diaries. It's inspired by in Princess Diaries when Mia Thermopolis, you know, gets revealed to be a princess after she blow straights her hair. I gotta give a shout out to Crown Me Gorgeous, gorge.com, and as well as filmed by Caramelized, who humored me because I was like, are y'all gonna do this with me? They said yes. I was like, thank you for humoring me because I'm so crazy. So this was me making fun. I'm walking. That's one song. Yeah. And this is the bloopers. Once again, like, I just could not get it that day. I don't know what was going on, but you know, I like those days because it reminds me that this is supposed to be fun, you know. So I could definitely say it's hilarious, but it's frustrating because it's like I'm on such a schedule because I work during the day, so I'm just like, I need to film this properly. But yes, my Hogwarts alumni unite. You already know I'm a Gryffindor. Please stop playing. But I like how no one asked any questions about how this person got into the house. Why is she wearing the same glasses? Like, I love how my hair bows don't even ask any questions. But I can definitely say for sure the bloopers has got to be the best part because sometimes stuff just ends up happening, you know, especially when I write the script and then like certain things just love to fall or break. Like this was just crazy. Like I was so done, but definitely for sure. Thank you guys so much. Yes, I messed up again. Thank you guys so much for watching and I really appreciate you guys' support.
Celle, solamente, almond no clear hair.